Hey everybody, happy Saturday. I'm here in Palm Springs today for a 2-day open house event at one of my listings here on Shannon Way, 2222 Shannon Way. Typically I start my tour with the inside of the house, but I think it's really, it wouldn't do it justice if I don't start with the outside of the house first, okay? So check this out. Check out this beautiful backyard, private dining area. Beautiful backyard. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,438 square foot home with a beautiful pool, solar panels. Let's take you inside. You could do your barbecue here. So now I'm inside the house and I'm gonna show you the living room, dining room, and all the bedrooms, okay? Check this. So here we are, the entrance. Really high ceilings here. Really cool LED lighting throughout. Really cool big living room. And we have our dining room here with the fireplace. Our kitchen here, pretty nice sized kitchen with all the amenities. Let me take you to the bedrooms. Here we are in the hallway, our guest bathroom. One of the bedrooms here. This one leads to the garage. I'll show you guys what's in there. It's pretty cool. These are the bunk beds. More storage here. The master bedroom. Sorry, I have the blinds down because it's 90 something degree here today. And the master bath. We have our closet here. Walk-in closet. Dual sinks, shower, and your toilet area. Let me take you to the garage right now. We have the laundry here. Check this out, guys. Never gonna get bored over here. It's like a lounge area with pool table. You can play ping pong. Really cool. A finished garage with its own AC mini split system. Stop by this weekend. I will be here today and tomorrow from 1 to 3 p.m. Would love to see you here. 2222 Shannon Way, Palm Springs. This is Carolyn from eXp Realty. Have a great Saturday. Take care.